What is positive consciousness for success? The most important aspect of our life is our consciousness while performing any action. Let's say your work is looking after your home and cooking meals as well and looking after your family. So, while doing this, do you only remember all the tasks that you have to perform, like selecting the ingredients of your meals and using the right recipe to prepare them? Or do you pay attention to what you are thinking at that time, which is what we call consciousness? Also, is the action of making a meal just a routine or you enjoy it completely? Depending on how we think, the action performed either gives us an experience of happiness, or even if we do not experience any stress while doing it, but nor are we immensely positive while doing it. We could call it a neutral state of mind, but not a positive one. So, our consciousness is extremely important while performing any task. Suppose you have a task at hand. Check at that time that are you looking at the task with enthusiasm and determination, or you want to complete it because it has to be done and it's your duty? Do you experience happiness and are sure of its success, or fear that you may not succeed, or it may not work out as you are expecting it to? These are some examples of what our state of mind or consciousness could be and how it could influence the task and how we perform it. Our consciousness is more important than the task itself. The more positive the consciousness, the more positive will be the experience of performing the task. A very simple method of keeping a positive consciousness is to begin every task by emerging a powerful thought of positivity. Check yourself whether your mind is only focused on the task or there is a positive thought process which is above the task. The more this becomes a practice, the more you will be able to dictate the task, with not only physical skills, but also with your thoughts, which are more powerful than your words and actions. Thoughts, when given a right direction, can become a very powerful force in your life, and give it new meaning and also bring success in every sphere of your life. Also, words and actions can sometimes be ineffective or sometimes not as effective in making a task successful as much as thoughts can be. It has been proven in many studies that thought energy is extremely powerful. It can influence people around us and bring about significant results much faster and more effectively as compared to words and actions. Of course, positive and powerful words and actions are important and no task can be achieved without them. But, by making your thoughts full of peace, love, happiness, power and truth, we can achieve much more in any task and complete it sooner. Such positive thoughts are commonly called affirmations. So, let's start every task with a positive affirmation in your mind. Then, repeat the affirmation while performing the task. Depending on the task that you are performing and as per the requirement of the situation, make the choice of your affirmation. I am a peaceful soul and peace is my original and natural quality, or I am a joyful spiritual energy, and I shall radiate joy to everyone around me, or I am a powerful spiritual being, and I shall be victorious in every situation, or I am full of love, and all other souls around me are also originally loveful, and I will share love with them, or I am a truthful being, and the ocean of truth God is with me, and helping me at every step. The more strong the affirmation, the more positive you will remain. Spiritual message. To have the balance of being a master and a child is to experience constant success. Expression. To have the right balance means to know when to be a master and when to be a child. When one gives an idea or makes a contribution, it is as a master with total authority. But while the idea is heard by others and is being criticized, I become a child. There is no attachment to the idea, but the mind is open to receive new thoughts in order to enrich what is already there. Experience. When you are able to maintain a balance between being master and a child, you are able to experience constant happiness. You are able to put forth your creative ideas with confidence. Yet you are not upset when someone criticizes your ideas. On the contrary, you are constantly learning and moving forward. So you constantly experience success.